Hey guys, this is Autumn with KAJBATHANDBODY. I'm going to make you an all-natural soap today. There's no dyes, no fragrance oils, just essential oils and clays for color. It's got eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint essential oil. It's very refreshing. It's very refreshing. It's very cool, clean, and it's just very good for your skin. So here we go. Here's a video. I hope you enjoy it, and I will pop in later and tell you some more stuff. Okay, thanks. Guys, I wanted to explain the second batch. I had planned on doing this soap with two separate layers, a top and a bottom. I had expected the essential oil blend to accelerate my soap, so I thought it would be perfect. Well, that didn't happen. It actually made my first batch really runny, and it wasn't setting up, and it was going to take forever. So I decided to go ahead and whip up my second batch and do a drop swirl instead of the layers. So that's what happened there. All right.